Uruguay. Uruguay, a meaty country. I know it's an unusual title, but wait till you read further. Uruguay is the second smallest country in South America, particularly known for the origin of great tango dance and excellent wines. It is not known much for its food, but trying the traditional dishes makes you fall in love with them. And any Uruguayan dish is not really Uruguayan if there is no meat in it. Meat is consumed in large quantities, that's why it's called a meaty country. So, keep on reading to know about the famous dishes of Uruguay. Revuelto Ramajo, a huge dish enough to fulfill the hunger of 2 to 3 persons with just one serving. This dish is made of french fries, ham, fried hashed potatoes, onions, bacon, and eggs, etc. This is the perfect dish for your cheat day because of all the fatty ingredients used in this dish. You can find revuelto gramajo in both Uruguay and Argentina. Chivito. Being the national dish of Uruguay, you can't miss chivito when you travel here. The name translates into goat, but this is a beef sandwich. It consists of beef steak, fried egg, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mozzarella, mayonnaise, bacon, bell peppers, etc. This is the most ultimate sandwich you will ever eat. And also, no chivito is complete without loads of sandwich. Asado. Asado means barbecue meat but South American style. Every type of meat, including beef, chicken, pork, sausages, etc., can be found on the plate. The tradition is that the barbecue is set up in large gatherings and special occasions, and the food is cooked for several hours. The head person in charge of grilling the meat is called asador. It is usually served along with some salad, vegetables, and of course beer. Capeati alla Caruso. This dish is also one of the most famous dishes. It is basically pasta stuffed with hams, mushroom, and some other fillings as well. It's the perfect dish for Sunday breakfast. The stuffed pasta is dressed or topped with a creamy sauce made up of onions, mushrooms, cheese, meat, etc., which makes the pasta smoother and tastier. Milanesa alla Napolitana. It can be called the Uruguayan version of pizza because of its style and connection to the Italian culture. Milanesa means thin meat that is flattened into bread and fried. The meat can vary between beef and chicken. Toppings of mozzarella, tomato sauce, ham, etc. are dropped on top of the base and then baked. After garnishing with oregano, what results is an amazing native style meat snack. Tortas fritas. These are fried bread biscuits usually served along with dulce de leche or jam. They are the best item to eat, especially on a rainy day. They are often sugar coated to make them sweeter. You can find these with the street vendors and in some homes who like to eat homemade items. There are really easy recipes available, but the authentic taste will be found in Uruguay only. Arroz con leche. You must have heard about this dish if you know even a little bit about Latin American food. This is a popular dessert in all the Spanish speaking countries. It translates into rice pudding, and its texture and the warm or cold temperature makes it a perfect sweet treat after your dinner. Usually cinnamon is sprinkled on the top to give it a hearty flavor. Chaha. Chaha is a delicious, unique and exquisite dessert traditional to Uruguay. It's a perfect combination of merengue, peaches, strawberry and spongy squares. Whipped cream is also used to make the topping and give additional creamy flavor. In some variations, dulce de leche and chocolate are also added in the mixture. It's like a small cake, so you can try it on birthday parties and anniversaries. Churros con dulce de leche. Churros are sweet fried long pastries available in America and other countries. It's a popular on-the-go snack cum dessert. What makes the Uruguayan version special is the filling of chocolate or dulce de leche. The churros are also coated in sugar and dipped in dulce de leche. This chocolatey variation of churros is definitely a must try. Here we come at the end of the article. Hope this article made you a bit hungry, especially those with a sweet tooth. There are a lot more dishes available, but these are the traditional ones which have deep roots into the culture of Uruguay.